Hey there, viewers. When was the last time you drank a smoothie? A smoothie is typically a drink made from mixed fruits or vegetables in a blender. There are a million types of smoothies to choose from. While they do have several health benefits, drinking too many smoothies can have negative effects on your health. Today, we'll explore both. Let's talk about what drinking smoothies every day does to your body. Does it raise your blood sugar? Are they really that filling? How many vitamins do smoothies supply? Wait, do they take away cravings? We're talking all that and more. Number 1. Too many calories. Hearing that smoothies are jam-packed with calories is hard for some to digest. No pun intended. Now, how many calories is the average smoothie? Well, it depends. You have to take into account the size as well as the foods you're including. One regular-sized homemade smoothie usually contains around 130 calories altogether. But when bought from a retail outlet, your smoothie can spike to 330 calories. That's mainly because of the size they come in at stores, not to mention the extra ingredients they mix in. I get it, even at 330 calories, it still doesn't seem like a whole lot to worry about, but you need to pay attention to what's in those calories. Many retail smoothie companies load their smoothies with sugar. Yes, you will have a few vitamins and nutrients, but the same 330-calorie smoothie contains a ton of carbs. I'm talking over 30% of your daily carbohydrates. In that, you have almost 70 grams of sugar. The average person is recommended between 25 and 36 grams a day. If you're adding dried food to your smoothies, it really increases your calories. I mean, sure, you're getting the proper nutrients, but you need to make sure that you're not overdoing it on the sugar. This may make your daily smoothie quite dangerous for your health. If you can, try to pick fruits with the least amount of sugar. When you buy a drink at a smoothie shop, perhaps avoid fruit juice if that's an option. Otherwise, you can open yourself up to a variety of health issues. What's your favorite type of smoothie? Is it high in calories? Sound off in the comments below and start a conversation with our Bestie community. Number 2. An increase in blood sugar. Due to the excess sugar in many smoothies, regular drinkers can experience a massive spike in their blood sugar. To be clear, your blood sugar level is the concentration of glucose in your blood. If your blood sugar is too high, it can lead to a variety of health issues. Smoothies that are store-bought often contain added syrups that enhance the flavor. Unfortunately, this can contribute to high blood sugar, also known as hyperglycemia. In the United States alone, there's an estimated 85 million people living with pre-diabetic conditions. Symptoms of hyperglycemia include things like increased thirst, frequent urination, fatigue, stomach pain, and even vomiting. If you're experiencing these signs, make sure you go to see a doctor. These may be the first signs of type 2 diabetes. If a patient with diabetes is not paying attention to their blood sugar and it remains high, they could go into a diabetic coma, and that can be fatal. You are also now open to other diabetic complications like blindness, heart disease, and kidney failure. If you'd like to lower your chance of hyperglycemia, make your delicious smoothie at home. This way, you can use store-bought fruits rather than sugary juices or syrups that are used at smoothie places. It's also recommended that you use ingredients like unflavored yogurt, non-dairy milk, or even water to mix with the fruit. Not only does this reduce the amount of sugar in your smoothie, it'll also decrease your calories. Number 3. Your digestion improves. Let's talk about one of the positive effects for a second. When you're on a regular smoothie diet, your digestion will improve. This is one of the main reasons health freaks drink smoothies so much. It's because smoothies are full of fiber. Even the super sugary ones can carry a ton. A 330-calorie store-bought smoothie holds almost 20% of your daily recommended fiber. That's just over 5 grams. You're recommended between 20 to 30 grams of fiber each day. Most Americans consume only half the suggested amount. Fiber feeds your gut bacteria, normalizing bowel movements and maintaining your bowel health. Fiber also helps you lose weight as it allows you to feel fuller for a longer period. Eating regular fiber will lower your cholesterol and blood sugar levels as well. Number 4. Stronger immune system. If you're experiencing health difficulties, a daily smoothie can be good for you. Smoothies contain vitamins and other nutrients that'll boost your immune system. A weakened immune system that isn't receiving the proper nutrients leaves you vulnerable to a number of illnesses. It's usually caused by habits like smoking, drinking, or poor nutrition. Signs of a weak immune system include extreme fatigue, slow healing wounds, and easy infections. These are all things that can be improved with a healthy smoothie. Let's take a look at one of the more popular smoothie choices. Strawberry banana. Just hearing those two words together makes my mouth water. A regular-sized homemade strawberry banana smoothie can hold up to 250 calories. Inside of it, you have almost 50% of your daily vitamin C intake. Are you suffering from an annoying cold? Well, vitamin C can boost your immune system, helping you overcome that cold and get back on your feet. Number 5. Protein overload. The right kind of smoothie will help you pack on the protein. This is why so many fitness junkies have a smoothie after a workout. Protein is essential for repairing tissues and building your bones and muscles. You need a fair amount of protein to keep your hair and skin healthy as well. Now, keep in mind, this type of smoothie probably won't be as tasty as the ones you're used to. Let's talk about the veggie ones for a second. You can't leave them out of the discussion. Some of the best vegetables for smoothies are kale, zucchini, spinach, cauliflower, and carrot. The average vegetable holds 2.5 grams of protein per serving. Adding ingredients like almond butter and seeds will increase that amount by quite a bit. You can also try mixing your smoothie ingredients with Greek yogurt. A single cup of Greek yogurt has almost 10 grams of protein. Having a fresh veggie smoothie each morning with some Greek yogurt will put you on the path to getting in shape. Before we continue, have you been looking after your teeth lately? Check out our recent video discussing 11 foods to avoid if you want beautifully white teeth. Now, back to our video on what drinking smoothies every day does to your body. Number 6. They'll make you hungry. This is one of the more annoying effects of a smoothie diet, but it still should be mentioned. Have you ever had a giant, delicious smoothie and still felt like your stomach was empty? Certain smoothies, when liquefied, are missing out on essential fiber. This can happen if you're mixing in more milk than you are yogurts and solid fruits. A single cup of regular milk contains no fiber whatsoever. If you're adding only half a banana and a couple strawberries into the milk, well, your smoothie will taste more like a milkshake. Number 7. Say goodbye to your cravings. Because of all the nutrients smoothies can possess, a lot of the inner cravings you have for junk food will go away. These are the urges we get to eat certain foods when really our body just needs nutrients we're lacking. We're not even aware of it. For instance, you might have a sudden craving for pizza, but really, your body just wants calcium. It's actually just used to getting its calcium fix from pizza. Since your smoothies will have a lot of great vitamins and minerals, many of your junk food cravings will fly out the window. If you drink a standard strawberry banana smoothie, not only are you consuming calcium, you're also getting potassium and some great vitamins. Remember how I mentioned that the smoothie gives you 50% of your daily vitamin C? It also gives you nearly 20% of your daily vitamin A and D. While there are a ton of carbs in a strawberry banana smoothie, these nutrients can make up for it. If you're going to drink one every day, try to make it with as little sugar as possible. That means a healthy balance of fruits and low sugar liquids. One of the best tips for making a smoothie is to start blending them from the comfort of your kitchen. This way you have more control over what you're putting in it. When you buy a smoothie from a food court, they're putting in extra ingredients that will only make it more unhealthy. Do you drink a lot of smoothies? Would you consider drinking more after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.
Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.